One of the main attractions in Langkawi is the Kilim Geoforest Park. And this mangrove boat ride is something every tourist should experience. The whole tour takes approximately 4 hours. And it's a great way to explore Langkawi's natural beauty. The first stop is eagle watching. Some years ago, eagle feeding was a common part of the tour. But now they only allow watching to protect the birds. You'll see dozens of eagles circling above and diving into the water. Next, the boat passes through the monkey mangroves. These monkeys can be a bit aggressive and are known for snatching food, bags, and even sunglasses. Luckily for us, there were no monkeys around when we visited. But it's always good to be careful if you have food with you. Then comes the crocodile cave. Don't worry, there are no crocodiles here. The cave gets its name because its rock formation looks like a crocodile's mouth. Unfortunately, the water level was too high, so we couldn't go inside the cave. But it was still interesting to see from the boat. After almost 2 hours, the boat makes a stop for fish feeding. This is a fun activity where you can feed different species of fish at a floating fish farm. It's a great little break before continuing with the ride. Next, we entered the bat caves. At first, it might seem a little intimidating, but it's actually completely safe. The caves are filled with hundreds of bats hanging from the ceiling, and walking through them is a fun and slightly spooky experience. Before heading back, they allow an hour for swimming activities. Whether you want to swim, relax by the water, or just enjoy the view, this is a great way to end the trip. With the sunset approaching as you make your way back,